Oh, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Miss Iriso, and today we are going to look at pronouns after, than, and as. I do believe it is the first page in your new grammar packet, and here we go. So, the first thing you want to do, we know, is to read that first paragraph that's there and see if there's anything that we need to highlight as a definition. So it says, when a sentence compares one person to another using than or as, the pronoun used after than or as, may be either in the nominative case or the objective case. All right, so it'll be nominative or objective. And this is going to be one of those tricky situations. Then you're going to tell me that it's wrong because it sounds funny because we all speak incorrectly. Okay, so it says to determine which case is correct, we expand the sentence. We expand it based on verbs, based on nouns, based on whatever we happen to need. Okay, if you look at the example, it says Mike is shorter than I. Okay, when you expand the sentence and you put the verb there, this is Mike is shorter than I am. I know you're going to say, oh my gosh, Ms. Rizzo, that sounds wrong. Mike is shorter than me. No, because you would never say Mike is shorter than me am. Right? You need that nominative case, that subjective pronoun that shows it's the subject. Okay? And I know we've talked about nominative case and objective case before, so this should be a review. This should sound familiar. Jane is not as talented as she. Okay, same thing. When you expand it, Jane is not as talented as she is. Okay, you need that nominative case. Cliff likes Alice more than me. Okay, so, and that's an object because you wouldn't say Cliff likes I. You would say Cliff likes me. Cliff likes Alice better than Cliff likes me, or Cliff likes Alice better than he likes me. And it all depends on how you expand the sentence to determine what case you need. And I know this is going to sound confusing, and that's why we're going to do it like this. Brad likes Alice more than I. Brad likes Alice more than I like Alice. Or Brad likes Alice more than, and it can go either way here, like Cliff likes Alice more than me because Cliff likes Alice, more than he likes me. You can do the same thing with the Brad. Brad likes Alice more than me. Brad likes Alice more than Brad likes me. Or Brad likes Alice more than I like Alice. So it depends on how you expand the sentence. Okay, so it says we're going to circle the pronoun in the correct case, and we're going to write expanded sentences. And if there are two potentials, like with the Cliff and the Brad situation, then we would write it with both sentences. So if you look at the first one, it says Luciano sings as well as blank. Okay, so who or what did it? Luciano. What did he do? He sings. Okay. What we're going to do is expand the sentence, and we're going to say Luciano sings as well as me sing, so we're going to add that verb. Or Luciano sings as well as I sing. Obviously, it's going to be that I, and we're going to write Luciano sings as well as I sing. We've written that expanded sentence. And ladies and gentlemen, make sure if we have questions that we ask. We want to make sure we understand what's going on. Look at number 2. It says Manuel is not as well known as blank. Okay, so who or what did it? Manuel. What did he do? He is known. We've got lots of added words there in our verb phrase. So Manuel is not as well known as what? As he is known or as him is known? As he, okay? And I know, again, it's not how we speak, so we want to make sure we're understanding everything that we need to do. So Manuel is not as well known as he is. Who is he? We don't know. Doesn't really matter. Gigi knows him better than blank. What do you think? Yep, we can do Gigi knows him better than I know him. Okay, is there anything else we can do? Yep, you're absolutely right. We can also have me, and we can say Gigi knows him better than Gigi knows me, right? So Gigi knows him better than she, who is Gigi, right, knows me. So it all depends on how you expand your sentence, okay? Let's try number, we'll do them all together. Roger delivered a better speech than what? Exactly, than she did. Roger delivered a better speech than she did. Number 5. Jeff loves Becky more than blank. Right? Jeff loves Becky more than I do. Or what? Jeff loves Becky more than Jeff loves me. He is Jeff. You with me? Does this make sense? So it's all about how you expand your sentence. Jack can run faster than him or he. Yep, you're right. It's he. Because when we expand it, Jack can run faster than he can run. Okay, so just remember that when you expand your sentences, that's what's going to help you to determine whether you use the nominative case or the objective case, and all depending on how you expand it is whether you will use one or the other or are able to use both. So if you have questions, let's make sure we ask. And again, this is Ms. Rizzo signing off. Hope you have a great day.